children, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine. My name is Geeta Miss. Okay, today our subject is English. Last time we read poem. Last time we learned lesson 1, poem. Now today we will learn poem 2, Home Sweet Home. Okay, so first we will learn hard words. Hard words. Hard words. We will learn hard words. Number 1 is HOME, home. HOME, home. HOME, home. Number 2 is STICKS, sticks. STICKS, sticks. Number 3, MUD, mud. Number 3, MUD, mud. Okay. Number 4 is BLOCKS, blocks. BLOCKS, blocks. Number 5, STOREYS, stories. STOREYS, stories. Number 6 is UNDER, under. UNDER, under. Number 7, OCEAN, ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Okay. Number 8 is windmill. Number 8, windmill. Okay. It is a machine which tells us about the wind. Now, number 9 is, say number 9, ABOVE, above. ABOVE, above. ABOVE, above. Number 10, CHIMNEY, chimney. CHIMNEY, chimney. Number 11 is SAFE, safe. SAFE, safe. Number 12, SOUND, sound. SOUND, sound. SOUND, sound. Okay, number 13 is FAMILY, family. FAMILY, family. Number 14, FRIENDS, friends. FRIENDS, friends. Number 15 is ADORE, adore. ADORE, adore. Okay. Now again we will see the words. HOME, home. You all are living in your home. Okay. You all are reading and writing. You are learning at home. So, home is a safe place. Number 2 is sticks. STICKS, sticks. Pieces of wood is stick. Mud, MUD, mud. Okay. Mud. You play with mud, no? Yes. Number 4 is blocks. BLOCKS, blocks. It is a solid pieces. Stories. Number 5, stories are floors. You are having floors, no? In the building we are having floors. First floor, second floor, third floor. Under, UNDER, under means the things which are down. Okay. Ocean, OCEAN, ocean. Number 8 is windmill, WINDMIL, windmill. Windmill is a machine which tells about wind. Okay. Number Number 9, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. Above means up. Okay, it is not, it is nearly up. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. Number 11, S-A-F-E, safe. 12 is S-O-U-N-D, sound. Number 13, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Number 14, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Number 15, A-D-O-R-E, adore. Okay, now you all have learned these words. Now we are going to start poem 2, Home Sweet Home. Home Sweet Home. Okay, we will do this activity. See, number 1, what you have to do in the activity? Match the animals with their homes, color them too. Number 1 is hen. So hen lives in a, where does hen live? Yes, hen lives in a coop. Hen lives in a coop. Number 1 is hen. Okay, where does dog lives? Yes, where does dog lives? Dog lives in a kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Okay. Now, where does cow live? Cow lives in a cow shed. Cow lives in a cow shed. See, cow lives in a cow shed. Yes. Then, where does horse live? Horse lives in a stable. Okay. Now see. Hen lives in a coop, dog lives in a kennel, cow lives in a cow shed, horse lives in a stable. Okay, now we will read this poem and we will understand it, how it is there. Okay, see, I am reading it. A home can be made of sticks and mud. See, a home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Of great big blocks of snow. Of great big blocks of snow. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. Yes, there are snow. We know igloo. Yes, can be made. See this type of here. See, you can keep big blocks of snow. A home can be made of big blocks of snow. Okay. So, a home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. You have understood? We can make a home of sticks, using mud. It can be made of snow. Blocks means big, solid pieces. It is pieces. Okay? Now, next line. A home can be 20 stories tall. A home can be 20 stories tall. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below. See now, our home can be 20 stories. It can be 20 floors tall buildings you have seen. Yes. Here it can be under the ground. Underground house are also there. Or under the ground below. See, I am reading this line. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below. Understood? Yes. You have understood this? Okay. Now, or under the ocean wide. Or under the ocean wide. It can be under the ocean also. See, ocean is very, very wide. Yes, it can be under the ocean wide. Now, A home can have a windmill above. See, a home can have a windmill. It can have a windmill above. Windmill, it is a machine. And some homes are there which have a windmill above the house to say how is the wind. Or a chimney on its side. Or a chimney on its side. It can have chimney aside. Okay. A home can have a windmill above or a chimney on its side. A home can be where you are safe and sound. A home can be where you are safe and sound. Yes, during Corona also, you all were at home, you are safe at home. Okay? Yes, it is very sound home. Or with family and friends and more. It can be family with family. We can live with our father, mother, parents. They all are our family members, grandparents, uncle, aunts, and our friends and more, relatives. Yes, we all can live in a home. Home can be safe and it can be sound. A home can be where you have your heart. Yes, we live in our home. We have our heart and all that you adore. And all that you adore. Adore means love. A home is there which you all can love. You love your things. Yes, when school is when you get when there is a bell off, when you have to go home and the bell rings, no, you all are wants to go home. So you have your heart that say, I also want to go home, I want to go home. That way you all are doing, no? Yes, and all that you adore. See now, again I am reading this. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below or under the ocean wide. A home can have a windmill above or a chimney on its side. A home can be where you are safe and sound or with family, friends and more. A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Again I am reading, see. You have to read this lesson, okay? You have to read this poem. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below or under the ocean wide. A home can have a windmill above or a chimney on its side. A home can be where you are safe and sound or with family, friends and more. See again, you have to learn this poem. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below or under the ocean wide. A home can be 20 stories tall or in the ground below or under the ocean wide. A home can have a windmill above or a chimney on its side. A home can be where you are safe and sound or with family, friends and more. A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Okay, see, this it is stories. S-T-O-R-Y-E-S-T-O, see this spelling, S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stores, stories. The building is stories. This building is stories, S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. Okay. Yes, this is stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y. Stories means it is floors. Okay. Now see, blocks is large pieces. Stories are levels or floors in a building. Windmill is a machine with long pieces of metal that turn the wind blows. Chimney is a passage to let the smoke out of a house. Sound, it is in good condition. And adore is love. Okay. Now see, we have learned hard words. We have read the poem also. So now we learn. What we will learn? Yes, we will learn meanings. What we will learn? Meanings. Very good. Number 1 is blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. What is the spelling of blocks? B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. They are large solid pieces. They are large, L-A-R-G-E, large solid pieces. Okay. Now, number 2 is windmill. Windmill. We have seen, no, windmill. Windmill, it is a machine. It is a machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Okay. Now, sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. What is the meaning of sound? It is I am in good condition. I am in G-O-O-D, good. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. Yes, it is sound means in good condition. And adore. What is the spelling of adore? A-D-O-R-E, adore. The meaning of adore is love. See, meaning of adore is love. Okay. Again we will see meanings. Blocks. Blocks are large solid pieces. Windmill is a machine. Sound. It is in good condition. Adore. L-O-V-E. Love. Okay. See, again you have to learn this. If you can write, you can write. B-L-O-C-K-S. Blocks. L-A-R-G-E. Large solid pieces. Large solid pieces. Windmill is a machine. See the spelling of machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Number 3 is sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. I am in G-O-O-D, good condition. In good condition. 4 is adore. That is love. A-D-O-R-E, adore, meaning is L-O-V-E, love. Now children, you all have learned these meanings. So now what we will do? Yes, we have learned the poem also. So see, we will do this so that you can understand. There are correct answers you have given. 2 answers are given. You have to tick the correct answer. Okay. You have to tick the correct answer. Now first one is a home can be made of. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. So you have to tick mark in sticks and mud. Number 2 is a home can have, see, first one it is 20 stories and next option is 10 stories. It can be 10 stories, but here it can be 20 stories tall. It can be 20 stories tall. A home can be under the ocean. A home can be under the ocean. Okay. A home can be under the ocean. Number 4 is, see number 4. You can be safe and sound. You can be safe and sound. Where you can be safe and sound? In the forest or at home? Home. Very good. It is a home. You can be safe and sound in a home. In your home, you can be with family or friends or only family. Yes, you can be with family and friends. Understood? In your home, you can be with family and friends. Okay, answer these questions we will do next period. Now see, read these pairs of words from the poem. See this, they are rhyming words. They are rhyming words. Rhyming words means they are having same sound. Okay, the sound is same. Wide side, W-I-D-E, wide, S-I-D-E, side. See, the first letter W and S are different, but last three letters I-D-E and I-D-E are same. So, wide side, more, adore, M-O-R-E, more, A-D-O-R-E, adore. So, do the words in each pair sound the same? Words that have end sound are called rhyming words. Okay, these all are called rhyming words. See, words that have same end sound are called rhyming words. In the end, they are sounding same. Understood this? Yes. No. Now, what will we will do? It is a fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now, you have to read it. Fill in the blanks. You have to write the answer in the blanks. You have learned this lesson. You have learned this poem. So, a home can be made of, see, now listen. A home can be made of sticks and a home can be made of sticks and what will be the answer? Mud, M-U-D, mud. Okay. Yes, a home can be sticks. A home can be made of sticks and M-U-D, mud. Okay? Yes. Number 2. Number 2 is a dash have a windmill above. A dash can have a windmill above. Now, what can have a windmill above? You all know, no? A dash can have a windmill above. A home, very good. H-O-M-E, home. A home can have a windmill above. Understood? Yes, a home can have a windmill above. Number 3, a home can be under the, where it can be under? Now, a home can be under the, a home can be under the, where it can be? Under the ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean, yes, it can be under the ocean. Yes, very good. Now, a home can have a, where it can have? A home can have a dash on its side. What can a home have? A home can have a, you know the answer? See, a home can have a dash on its side. And this you have to answer. The answer will be, what will be the answer? Yes, it will be chimney. Now, spelling of chimney is C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. Okay? Yes, now See, a home can have a chimney on its side. Yes, now you can be safe and sound in a, where you can be safe and sound? You can be safe and sound in a home. H-O-M-E, home. You can be safe and sound in home. Okay, very good. See, again we will revise this. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can have a windmill above. Number 3 is a home can be under the ocean. You have to read the spelling also. Number 4 is a home can have a chimney on its side. You can be safe and sound in a home. You can be safe and sound in a home. Okay, now you all have learned this, fill in the blanks. See, again we will read it. We will read hard words. Okay, see. We will learn these hard words again. It is a revision so that you will be able to read. You will be able to read this. Number 1 is H-O-M-E, home. H-O-M-E, home. Number 2, H-O-M-E, home. Okay, see. H-O-M-E, home. Number 2, S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. Okay. Now, number 3 is M-U-D, mud. M-U-D, mud. Number 4 is B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Number 5 is S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. I told you, no, stories means floor. U-N-D-E-R, under. Number 6 is U-N-D-E-R, under. You have to read the spelling. U-N-D-E-R, under. Okay. Number 7, it is O-C-E-A-N, ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Number 8 is windmill. W-I-N-D-M-I-L, windmill. Okay. Number 9 is A-B-O-V-E, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. Number 10 is C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. Number 11, S-A-F-E, safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Okay. Number 12 is S-O-N-D, sound. S-O-N-D, sound. Sound means it is good condition. Yes, at our home we are safe and sound. Sound it will. Yes. Now number 13 is family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Okay. Number 14 is friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Number 15 is adore. A-D-O-R-E, adore. Okay. Now you all have read this. Okay. Now you all have to do your homework. Read it properly. Do it properly. Okay. See. Yes. Which lesson? Home sweet home. Subject is English. Home sweet home. You all have to do your work. do it properly, write hard words, you can write meanings, you can write FB, okay, with good handwriting. Understood? Yes, and be safe and don't let your parents to write. You have to write yourself in your own handwriting. Okay?